The new year began with a spectacular solar appearance that caused a massive solar flare early on Friday, January 3rd. This solar flare was classified as an X-class event with a magnitude of X1.2. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's Solar Ultraviolet Imager, which continuously monitors the sun, captured images of the event. A solar flare is a massive explosion of energy. Eruptions and solar flares can disrupt radio communications, power grids, and navigation signals, and pose a threat to spacecraft and astronauts. NASA said it came from Sunspot Region A or 3947. The burst of energy from the solar flare caused radio outages in parts of the South Atlantic, Africa, and eastern South America. Such outages can result in a complete or partial loss of radio frequency signals in areas exposed to sunlight during the event. During the same period, geomagnetic storm warnings remain in effect for Category G1 storms, the weakest of their scale, due to the CME that occurred earlier this week. High latitudes such as Alaska and Canada are most likely to see the northern lights during this event. Solar flares are classified into 4 classes, with the higher the class, the more powerful each flare is. X-class flares are the most powerful, followed by M-class flares, which are the second strongest, and then C-class and the lowest class, B. Each letter representing a class is also accompanied by a number that indicates the strength of an individual flare. NASA acts as the research arm of the nation's space weather efforts. NASA constantly monitors the sun and the space environment with a fleet of spacecraft that study everything from solar activity to the sun's atmosphere to particles and magnetic fields in space around Earth. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Feel free to contact us anytime. Your support is our greatest motivation.